Hi everyone, it's Erlene of Erlene Garcia Art, and today we will be making a cell phone necklace bag. Now, I created this out of necessity, and I'm so happy that I did. It's easy, quick, and fun. And you could also probably make these and sell them on Etsy, or at a little boutique shop, or give them as a gift, or make a few for yourself. So at the bottom, I added a little fob so I could hang keys from it. And as you can see, you will be totally hands-free and never lose your keys. The front is clear, so you can even text through the front without even taking your phone out of it. So let's get started. I purchased some sewable plastic at Joann's. I have no idea what they use it for, but I thought, let's try it. So I cut 6 1/4 by 4 1/2. It's very easy to cut and very easy to sew. I sewed a little piece at the top and folded it over. Hope you can see it because it is see-through, but it does make it easy to text. So I took a little 1" by 3" piece of fabric. I'm going to do double stitching on it. This will be our loop that our little keychain fob is going to hang from. This is a black cottony cord that I purchased at Joann's, and it's about 50 inches long. That's my scrap fabric that I pieced together. It's the same size as the plastic, and I'm going to sew these cords at the top. The white part of the fabric with the footprints, that's the top. So I sewed from the top all the way across. That's where your cords come out there. That looks pretty darn good. This is one of the easiest things I've ever made. Wow, I'm very happy with it. So I'm going to take that piece of plastic and place it in between that one length of fabric. Now I sewed all around it except for the bottom of the bag where the cord is sticking out. So let's reverse it and see how it looks. And as you know, this is my favorite part. Yay! Wow. Pretty happy with that. I hope you guys make this because I'm going to make myself several of them to go with different outfits. So look at the side of that. Very nice and neat. There's no way that's falling apart. So what we need to do, I'm watching this along with you all at the same time. Before you sew the bottom, decide on how far you want your cell phone to be sticking in it. So this is a little loop for the bottom. That's where we're going to hang our little keychain fob and some charms. You don't have to hang charms if you don't have any, but I did. So what I did is I folded the edge of this fabric, and I'm just going to cover the edge, that raw edge, because we don't want anything sharp. And make sure that you fold each end in, because you don't want any fraying threads either, especially if you're going to be giving this as a gift. Look at that. That's fun. Here's my favorite part again. The fabric is so cute. The fabric came from Joann's. Everything in this video looks like it came from Joann's. And my polish is Wet n Wild. 99 cents at Rite Aid. And actually, I've had that polish on for about 4 days, so it didn't ship. I was happy about that. So, okay, there's the little loop. You could even just stick a regular keychain through there if you like. And you could even hang your reading glasses from that. So let's see how it looks. Ding, 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 ding. We've got a winner. Oh, that's fun. I love it. I wonder if my daughter would wear that. We know the way we are with our kids. And that was my name. I like to put a little label. So I'm using 4mm. Oh no, not right here. I'm using a 1/2 inch size miniature key ring, and I'm just gonna slide it on there with the little key fob. That particular key fob, it turns and turns and turns. There you go. Looks like I have ink all over my finger. Okay, so there's a fob. It's a twisty one. So then I'm going to take a 4mm jump ring, going to attach a cat charm, and I'm going to put it on either side of that key fob. And like I said, that little key ring, that's a small one, about 1/2 inch. Let's put the other little heart charm on there, and that goes on the other side. I like adding it. I think it adds a little bit of dimension to your item. There you go. Oh, cute. Look at that. You don't necessarily have to add your name on there, but people would like to know that you took the time to make a special handmade gift. Or you can sell these at little boutique functions or church functions, or you can sell them at little auctions. That's pretty cool. I'm loving that. So let's see. That's the front with the cell phone in it. That's the back. That cat space fabric is pretty darn awesome. That's how it looks on. I'm loving that. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any questions, leave them and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. You guys have a happy day, and I look forward to hearing from you on my Instagram and my Etsy. Bye.